aubergines are in season. Instead of chicken, we'll be using aubergines for our schnitzel, and we're gonna make this delicious vegetarian aubergine schnitzel bagel sandwich. So the first step is to poke some holes on the aubergines. Make sure you poke all over the aubergines, and we're going to roast it in the oven until it's tender. So some olive oil and a pinch of salt, and just rub it through, and we're gonna roast it in the oven for around 45 minutes. So we're gonna finely chop some parsley and add to a bowl. Some lemon zest, and squeeze in some lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and Harissa paste. And just mix everything. And we're gonna spread this across the bagel. And just season with a bit of salt. And you're done. So the aubergines has been roasted for around 45 minutes. Grab a paring knife and poke it through the middle of the aubergine. If it feels soft in the middle, it's ready. So the aubergines are now cooled down. So just grab a knife, peel off the skin. And just be careful just not to tear the whole thing apart. And then just use a fork to gently spread it. And then here you have a schnitzel. So here we have flour, there's 2 eggs in here, and we've got Japanese panko. You want to add some flavors. We're gonna add some paprika and cumin and some salt. Mix well. Grab your aubergine and put it on the flour. Make sure you coat it both sides. And you want to add it to the eggs. Make sure you coat both sides. Pick it up, and now you put it on the panko. And just coat it generously. Press it down to make sure it's the panko sticking on the schnitzel. And this one is done. So slice the bagel in half. And then you want to spread butter on the flat side. So place the bagel on a hot griddle pan, flat side down. Flip it halfway through. Beautiful. So to test if the oil is hot enough, put a wooden skewer. If you see bubble running around it, it's ready. And then just gently put it in. So once you see the sides gets golden, you want to flip it over. The seasoned shallow casserole is perfect for shallow frying because it retains the heat. So now the whole thing is golden. It's now ready. You want to place it on a kitchen towel. And then sprinkle some sea salt. So now it's golden and crispy. Just trim off the head. And we've got 2 charred bagels. You want to spread some harissa paste we made earlier. So you want to spread it on the bottom one. So you can trim it for more bagel size, or you can just have it as a whole. And then put it on top of the bagel. Get some rockets and gently squeeze it. A little of olive oil on the rockets. Pinch of salt. And toast it. So this is our seasoned beeswax wrap. It's way better than cling film because it's reusable and it's got air pores, so it lets the sandwiches breathe so it won't go soggy. So we're gonna store this, we're gonna put this in the beeswax wrap and wrap it. So it's perfect for picnics and lunch.